If you think your money is safe in the bank, think again. Because in 2025, banks aren't just protecting your money, they're multiplying it. For themselves, you deposit $100, and they can legally flip it into $1,000 worth of loans and digital profit streams. This isn't a conspiracy. This is banking redefined. And once you understand their business model, never look at your bank the same way again. Asterisk storytelling format with surprising truths. Scene 1. The illusion of saving. We've all been taught to save our money in the bank. It feels secure, reliable, protected. But what if I told you? Banks are not vaults. They're machines. Machines designed to make money out of your money and give you back crumbs. In 2025, banking isn't about safety. It's about strategy. Scene 2. Fractional reserve. The legal money multiplier. Here's the magic trick no one tells you. You deposit $1,000 in a bank. They're only legally required to hold about $100 in reserve. The other $900, they loan it out to someone with a credit card, a mortgage, or a business idea. That loan earns them 15 to 25% interest, while you get 2% at best. That's not just profit. That's 1,000% return off your money. Scene 3. The new business model, data, AI, and digital fees. In 2025, banks have evolved. They're no longer just financial institutions. They're data companies. Every time you use your app, they're tracking. Every swipe, every login, every location is recorded. That data is sold, analyzed, and turned into profit. Plus, those tiny fees? $1 to ATM withdrawal, $9 overdraft, $1 foreign transaction monthly account maintenance fee. Multiply that by millions of users equals hundreds of millions in hidden income. Scene 4. Buy now, pay later. The debt trap the NPL is the modern credit card. Buy now, pay in for installments. Zero interest. Think again. Late, one payment, you're hit with penalties, credit damage, and algorithmic restrictions. Banks in 2025 have adopted this model to hook Gen Z and millennials into soft debt loops that look safe, but trap you long. Scene 5. AI banking. Profit without people. Banks today run more on algorithms than employees. AI bots now handle loan approvals, investment decisions, fee adjustments, risk detection, product recommendations. You're not just a customer anymore. You're a data profile, optimized for revenue generation. Scene 6. Merging with real estate and tech. Big banks in 2025 are not just lending institutions. They're mega corporations merging. Finance plus real estate plus fintech equals $1 trillion ecosystem that controls your money, your mortgage, your data, and your future. They're buying apps, creating launching investment tools, all designed to make you spend more and them earn endlessly. The shocking truth. Banks don't make money by holding your money. They make money by moving it fast, smart, and with algorithms you don't even see. And the craziest part, they use your money to lend it back to you. With interest, call to action. So what now? Will you stay stuck in their system? Or learn how it really works? Because in 2025, knowledge is money. And the smartest people aren't just saving. They're building their own financial freedom.